Hello guys and welcome back. Today I will show you how to fix the missing lossless audio option on Spotify. So step 1 is you're going to make sure that your Spotify is updated. Make sure you're on the latest version of the app. Now step 2 is you're going to log out and then you're going to log back in. So in order for you to do that, you're just going to click on your profile icon at the top left corner of your screen, and then from here you're going to click on the settings and privacy. Now you will see this log out button from here, so you're just going to click on that and then sign back into your account. For step 3, you're going to clear your Spotify cache. So from your settings page, you're going to just click on, you can check Spotify. You can check Spotify's update notes to see if your country already has it or not. In my case, it is not showing up on the Philippines yet, so that's it. You have fixed the missing lossless option. Just follow the method for each reason why it's not appearing on your Spotify. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.